I continue my class. Now we will study rational numbers. Our topic is standard form. Rational numbers are in standard form. What is the meaning of standard form? Suppose these numbers are there. These are all called standard form. Why? Because the numerator and denominator, you see that what is the factors of this? This is common, only one will come. What is the factors of 3? 3 is 1 and 3. And what is the factors of 5? 1 and 5. So what is the common factor of the both these? The 1 is the common factor. So both these numerator and denominator, the common factor is 1 will come. Those factors are, those rational numbers are called standard form. Do you understand this one? Here also like that. Minus 5/7, negative sign is there, but negative sign you don't see. You see that common factor what will come. It is also 1 only coming. That's why these type of rational numbers are called standard form. Reduced to standard form. How it will go? See, for suppose the question is given 45/30. Then you have to find the standard form. Reduce this number to standard form. How you reduce? So you have to divide both the number with the same non-zero number. So if these two numbers are divisible by 5, then how much will come? 5 9 are 45. Then here 5 6 are 30. So reduce. Again you see that these two numbers are again divisible. Which number it is divisible? It is divisible by 3. Then how much will come? 3 3 are 9 and 3 2 are 6. 3/2. Then this 3/2 is not divisible by any number. The common factor only 1 will come. This type of number is called standard form. Do you understand now? Now suppose this is negative number is there. That also same, no problem. Have to write, divide. You leave the negative side. You put that 15. You have to divide 15 3 45 minus you put and 15 to 30. So minus 3/2 as 2 is the standard form of the rational numbers. Like that way, any number is given, then what you will do? You have to divide with the divide by the numerator and denominator same number. Then after when the number reduced to common factor is only 1 will come. That means you have to do that is the standard form of the rational number. Then come to the comparison of the rational number. Comparison. How you compare it to two rational number? Suppose 1/2 and 1/3. What type of fractions it is? See, here numerators are equal, means it is right fractions. So all fractions are came inside the rational number, and here if the numerator is equal, the denominator only difference is there. Then it is not like fractions, it is unlike fractions. So this is, see how you find the comparison of the number, which fraction is, which rational number is greater and which is smaller. Then how you will do? You have to find the equivalent fractions. Otherwise, if the numerators are equal, the denominator you see, which one is the smaller and which one is the greater? This is 2 is there, it is 3 is there. 2 is there, is smaller than 3. But this fraction is greater. How it is greater? The denominator, which one is smaller? If numerators are equal, then denominator, see which one is smaller, that one is the greater. Then another is that you have to find the equivalent fraction. Equivalent fraction of this number. How much will come? 2/4, 3/6. Then that one 1/3. So it is 2/6. Here denominators are equal, 3/6 and 2/6. Then which number is common? This is the greater number, so it is greater. Do you understand like this one? This is unlike fractions are there. Then suppose like fractions are given, 2/3 and 5/3. Here the denominators are equal. This is called like fractions. This is called unlike fractions. In this like fractions are there, then what you will do? You have to see that which numerator is smaller, that is the smaller, which numerator is greater, that is the greater. So 5/3 is the greatest rational number. Do you understand this one? Next is there. Suppose negative numbers are there, then how you will find the negative? Then here numerators are equal, then denominators are different. Then how you find in this positive number which one is smaller? That is the greatest. Then here which one is the greatest? That one is the smallest. That one is the smallest. See, suppose you have to find the equivalent fraction. How much will come? 2 by 4, 3 by 6. Here 2 by 6 and here 3 by 6 and minus 2 by 6. Here the denominators are equal. Then minus 2 is big or minus 3 is big? This minus 2 is bigger than minus 3. So this one is bigger. Do you understand? In negative unlike fractions are there. Then what you will do? Which denominator is big? That is big it will come. Here positive means which denominator is smaller, that is the bigger number. This way you have to compare the numbers. Suppose the number is 3 by 2, different numbers are there. Then how you will do? First you have to 2, 3 ways are there. First method is you have to equalize the equivalent fractions you have to find out. Then what will the equivalent fraction? Equivalent denominators you have to do. How you will do the equivalent denominators? You have to take the LCM. 2 and 3 LCM is 6. So 6 you write. Next what you will do? Denominator divided by the LCM divided by denominator. 6 2 3 is 6. 3 into 3 9 will come. Do you understand how you have done? LCM divided by denominator. How much will come? That into numerator 9 will come. Like that way here also LCM is 6, then LCM divided by denominator 3 to the 6, 2 came, 2 into numerator 2 to the 4. And there which one is greater? Denominators are equal means which numerator is greater, that number is greater number. Like this way you write. This is one method. Another method is there. You have to do the cross multiplication. Then how much will come? 3 3 is 9 and 2 2 is 4. So which one is greater? This one is the greater. So you have to write this one is greater. And another method is there. That method is equivalent fractions you have to find. Equivalent means how it will come? 3 to the 6, 2 to the 4. Then 3 3 is 9, 2 3 is 6. Then 3 4 is 12, 2 4 is 8. Then how much is equivalent? It is 2 by 3. Here 2 to the 4, 3 to the 6. So here 9 by 6 denominators are equal. That much you have to take. Then 9 by 6 and 4 by 6. It is greater. Like that you have to find the comparison the equal to rational numbers. Anytime you have to do. Do you understand this one? How to compare the two rational numbers. Then compare the rational number between two rational numbers. How many? Two rational numbers. Now write the rational numbers between two rational numbers. How many will come? You have to find the rational number. Suppose 3 by 5 is there, one number. Another number is there, that is 2 by 3. 2 by 3 suppose. Yes, the numbers are there. 2 by 3 there. Then how you find the between these two numbers? Then first what you will do? You have to equalize the denominator. Then take LCM 3 and 5. How much is there? 15. Then it is right. LCM is 15. Then how much will come? LCM divided by denominator means 5 3 is 15. 15 you have to divide with 5. 5 3 is 15. Then you have to multiply with numerator, that is 9. 9 by 15 came. Then here how will come? 3 5 is 5 2 is 10. So between that not here same number. Then what you will do? You will take big means greater denominator. Then you will take 30 denominator. Equivalent fraction is 30. Then 30 you will take denominator. So what will come? 5 6 is 30. 6 3 is 18. Then here 30. 3 3 10 is 30. 10 2 is 20. Then what is the between this what number will come? That is 19 by 30. Therefore 3 by 5 is there and 1 by minus 3 is there. Then what will do? Have to draw the take the LCM. Suppose 15 is the LCM. Then 5 3 is 3 3 is 9. Then it is 15. 3 5 is 1 is 5. So between these two numbers, how many numbers are there? 3 minus 9 by 15 means it will come minus 8 by then it will come minus 6 by 15, then it will come minus 5. Means how many rational numbers are there between 9 by 15 and this one? So 3 numbers are there. Right after it is how many you want, that many numbers it will come. So infinite numbers will come between the two rational numbers. If more numbers you want, then you have to the denominator you have to take more bigger number. Then it will come. Do you understand? Another number. So see that another example I am telling you. Here minus 2 and minus 1 is there. How many rational numbers are there between the two rational numbers? First you have to take denominator. Here denominator is not given. You have to take the, suppose 5 you take. 5 you take means it is 5 is there means 5 you have to multiply both the side. So denominator equal means how much equivalent fraction will come? 5. It is minus 2. It is 5 by 5 means it is 1. So you have to multiply both the denominator. You will take 5 means it will come 5 multiply these numerators. Then it will come 10 by 5. It is 5 by 5. Between this how many numbers are there? It is 5 by 5 means minus 1. Then it is minus 1. Then it is afterwards minus 6 by 5, then minus 7 by 5, then minus 8 by 5, then minus 9 by 5. So between these 4 numbers are there between these two. If more you want, you will change the denominator. If you change 10, then it will come 20 by 10 and it is 10 by 10. So between these how many are there? 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. That many numbers are there. So do you understand? I hope you understood. Next class we will discuss some more number. This much for today. Practice these numbers. Thank you.